the innovation solution for pipe drilling. Lightweight and portable magnetic drilling machine for tube drilling. PIPEMAB200, made in Germany portable pipe drilling machine. Equipped with a patented magnetic pipe clamp with two very strong permanent magnet independent of electricity. The versatile magnetic pipe clamp automatically adjusts to the diameter of the pipe to be drilled. Easy to clamp mechanism. The swivel arrangement of the permanent magnets allows pivoting to conform to any pipe of 85 mm diameter or larger. Ideal for drilling outside of curved surface, inside of curved surface, or on straight flat surfaces. 1020 kg magnetic adhesion force makes it safe to drill on vertical pipes. The PIPEMAB200 drills 35 mm diameter with core drills, 55 mm cutting depth, 1050 watt power German make the motor, 160 mm stroke, 19 mm Weldon direct arbor, and weighing just 16 kilograms. The versatile pipe drilling machine PIPEMAB200, made in Germany by DDS Machines.